Hello there, first graders. Let's learn some geometry. First, we're going to talk about rectangles and squares. Rectangles have 4 sides and 4 square corners. Hey there, I'm Rita Rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 square corners. There's another rectangle. It looks just like Rita, but it's turned the other way. Here's a bigger rectangle. That rectangle is turned on its side. Here's a little rectangle. Here's another rectangle, the same size and shape, but turned on its side. Squares are rectangles with 4 equal sides. Hey there, I'm Sammy Square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sammy has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sammy has 4 square corners. Hey, wait a minute, I'm a rectangle. That's right, Sammy. You are a rectangle because you have 4 sides and 4 square corners, but all of your sides are the same size. Hey, that's cool. Here's another square. Same shape, but much smaller. This square is the same shape, but it's much bigger. Now you try. Is this a rectangle? Yes, it has 4 sides and 4 square corners. Is this a square? No, because the top and the bottom are one length and the left and right are another length. It's not a square. Is this a rectangle? No, because it has more than 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Is this a rectangle? It sure is. Is this a rectangle? Yes. It has 4 sides and 4 square corners. It's also a square. Is this a rectangle? No, it only has 3 sides. Is this a rectangle? No, it's open here. If it's not a closed figure, then it's not a rectangle. Is this a rectangle? Yes, it's a big, huge rectangle. Is this a rectangle? No, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, and it does not have square corners, so it is not a rectangle. Which shapes are not rectangles or squares? Well, this is a square, and it's a rectangle. This is a square, and it's a rectangle. Is this a square? No, it's open. Is this a rectangle? Yes. Is it a square? No. Is this a rectangle? No, it has more than 4 sides. Is this a rectangle? Yes. Is it a square? No. Is this a rectangle? No, it only has 3 sides. Is this a rectangle? Yes, it has 4 sides and 4 square corners. Now let's talk about shapes with curves and shapes with corners. Next we will talk about shapes with corners and shapes with no corners. A shape with no corners is called a curve. It has a curve. A circle is a curve. An oval is a curve. These two shapes are both called triangles. They have 3 sides and 3 corners. 3 sides and 3 corners. This triangle also has 1 square corner. Do you see it? Which shapes are not triangles or circles? This is a circle. Is this a triangle? No. It has more than 3 sides. Is it a circle? No, it's a rectangle. Is this a triangle? Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Is this a triangle? No. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Is this a triangle? No. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Is this a triangle? No, it's open. Is this a triangle? Yes, it's standing on its head. 1, 2, 3. Is this a triangle? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Ring the shapes that follow the sorting rule. Draw a shape that fits the rule. Shapes that are closed. Now, why don't you point to the shapes that are closed? Yes, that's one, and that's another one. The other 2 shapes are open. Shapes with 3 sides and 3 corners. That's called a triangle. That one, can you find another one? Very good. Shapes with a square corner. Find 2 shapes with a square corner. There's one, and there's the other one. You did a great job. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.